Student, force and laws of motion chapter. From the exercise we will take the question number 7. Okay, this question is very important. So according to this question, one engine is there and 5 wagons are attached to that, like this. Okay, and it is given that the mass of the engine is given, that is 8000 kg, and each of this wagon of 2000 kg. Okay, and force is exerted by the engine, just this force, this is 40,000 Newton. Okay, so 40,000 Newton force is applied, and in the opposite direction the frictional force of 5000 Newton is there. Okay student, so we have to find out the net accelerating force. Okay, so 40,000 Newton force is applied in this direction, and in opposite 5000 Newton for frictional force. So that means 40,000 minus 5000, so that will be 35,000 Newton net accelerating force. Due to that 35,000 Newton force, it will be accelerated. This is the unbalanced net force. Okay, now we have to find out the acceleration of the train. So for acceleration of the train, the net force upon the mass, because force equals to mass into acceleration, so acceleration will be force upon mass. Okay, but mass is for the whole system, that means including the engine and the 5 wagons. Okay, so 35,000 already we have found that 35,000 is the net force, and 5 wagons, that is 5 into 2000, that is 10,000. So 10,000 plus engine 8,000, so total 18,000. So 35,000 upon 18,000, that is 1.94 meter per second square. That is the acceleration of the train. Okay, now the third part, that is force of the wagon 1 on the wagon 2. So means force of the wagon 1 on wagon 2. So always remember, because wagon 2 is not a single one. Okay, here it is attached with 3, 4, 5. So we will take it as a system, whole system. Okay, since these masses are attached with that, so this is not only for 2, this is for the whole system. So we will consider the mass of this whole, so that is 4 into 2000, that is 8000 will be the total mass for this system. Okay, so mass of the 4 wagons into acceleration. So acceleration already we have found, because for each one having the same acceleration, because it is run as a system. Okay, so they are not running individually. Clear? So all having the same acceleration, that is 1.94. so acceleration into mass of 4 wagons, because it is, they are asking that force of wagon 1 on wagon 2. Clear? So that is the whole system mass, that will be 8000 into acceleration 1.94. so if you will remove this decimal sign, that will be 100 in the denominator. 20 will cancel out, and then after solving we will get 15520 Newton. This is the answer for the third part.